A video doorbell is an internet-connected doorbell that notifies the smartphone of the homeowner when a guest arrives at the entrance of the door. Video doorbells come in all shapes and sizes, so if you're looking for a suitable one, then check out our new video to get more details about some of the latest products available in the market. The U-Bell DB1 wireless video doorbell provides an additional layer of security for your home. It comes with motion activation, remote activation, and alarm trigger that offers 1080p Full HD monitoring of door entry anytime, anywhere. It includes a mounting template with installation wrench, mounting screws, screw anchors, 4 flat screws, and power cables, power connector, and resistor. The Uniden wireless video doorbell app has full mobile remote control and setup from iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android devices to receive alerts via email or notification. You must ensure your Wi-Fi network is a 2.4 GHz network and not a 5 GHz network, because only a 2.4 GHz system will function. The Vuebell Wi-Fi video doorbell comes with a 185-degree horizontal field of view, and you can have a full scene of the front yard. It is equipped with a motion sensor, receive an alert when the moving captured. Also, you can customize the detection area and time, focus on the most critical period. It has a high-quality lens and powerful infrared LEDs that see clearly at day and night. With the help of noise cancellation chip, you can have an explicit conversation with your guests even when you're not at home. Also, it is compatible with Alexa and makes your smart home more convenient. Besides, it features with easy setup and installation by using QR code scanning authentication and Wi-Fi network connection. The RemoBell is a battery-powered Wi-Fi wireless video doorbell that lets you answer your door from anywhere using the RemoBell app. The video doorbell syncs to your mobile app and enables you to see and communicate with your visitors from your smartphone. It has recent activity log, which displays every event, and cloud video your camera doorbell captures onto a timeline on the RemoBell app. It offers passive infrared (PIR) sensor, which detects heat radiated off of objects and sends push notifications when motion is sensed. Also, it is powered by 6 AA batteries, so you can install it wherever you want. It is water, weather resistant, and can withstand most weather conditions, 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The iseeBell video doorbell offers homeowners a revolutionary new way to answer their doorbell and increase home security. It has motion sensor, which activates the video doorbell to take snapshots and trigger instant mobile alerts when movement is detected. You can speak with anyone at your door via a built-in microphone and speakers. Also, it is equipped with an ultra-wide-angle lens and allows you to monitor large areas. It supports iseeBell Cloud Platform, which is deployed in the world's largest cloud service provider, to ensure highly reliable and scalable data storage performance. Besides, it provides a night vision mode that is automatically enabled in dim lighting conditions that allows you to see crystal clear even through the darkness. The SkyBell SHO2300SL video doorbell can be connected to the home Wi-Fi, which lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors at your door just by using your smartphone or tablet. It comes with a 1080p video, full-color night vision, motion sensor, and live alerts. Thus, it will conveniently give you peace of mind when answering the door without compromising your safety. Also, it is compatible with Alexa, so you can use simple voice commands using your Amazon Echo or Echo Dot for more convenience. It supports two-way audio with the built-in microphone and speaker that allows you to talk to your visitor without going to the door. Besides, the motion sensor will alert you when someone is waiting at your door, even if they did not ring the bell. The Zmodo Greet video doorbell requires a mechanical doorbell chime and a transformer with a low voltage of 10 VAC to 36 VAC and is not compatible with digital doorbell. The camera is manually adjustable, allowing you to get the angle of your visitors. Also, it is equipped with a PIR sensor, providing accurate motion detection so that it can alert you with a video clip when anything's out of the ordinary. Also, it has an improved night vision function that allows you to manually switch on the night vision mode based on different light strength to make sure you have one of the best views even in a dim environment. Besides, a ring alert message will be pushed to your mobile phone when the doorbell is pressed, so you can answer the door anytime, anywhere. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro comes with advanced motion detection technology that allows you to customize your motion zones to focus on the most critical areas of your yard. You can easily connect it to the existing doorbell wiring so you'll never have to charge a battery. It works with select iOS and Android devices as well as Windows 10. Also, it provides two-way audio with noise cancellation with crystal clear 1080p HD video. It helps to maintain a clear view of your home's entrance for optimal security. Besides, the optional cloud recording lets you view the footage at a later time. Holding the first place among the list of best video doorbells, we have the Ring Video Doorbell 2. It offers 1080 HD wide-angle video to see more of your space. Live View gives you an on-demand look at your property. It has a built-in microphone and speakers that let you listen and talk with two-way audio. You can adjust the sensors to find the ideal setting for your home. Also, it works in small and large homes alike and can be hardwired or battery operated. It includes 2 faceplates for your convenience. Besides, it comes with 1 rechargeable battery pack. Thanks for watching. How did we do with the video? Show us that we did well with the video by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Press the bell icon to get notified about all our latest uploads.